Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on PC easily. First, connect your PS4 controller to your computer with a standard micro USB cable. This wired connection is generally the most straightforward option, ensuring instant recognition by your system. Most computers will quickly detect it as a plug-and-play device, allowing you to start gaming almost immediately. It is a reliable way to bypass wireless setup issues. For wireless play, ensure your PC has Bluetooth, either built-in or through an adapter. Navigate to your computer's Bluetooth settings and select Add a device. On your PS4 controller, press and hold the PlayStation button along with the Share button simultaneously for about 3 seconds. The controller's light bar will then flash rapidly, indicating it is in pairing mode. Select the wireless controller option that appears on your PC's screen to complete the connection. Many games natively support Xbox 360 controllers, but not PS4 controllers directly. Here, DS4 Windows becomes invaluable. It is a free, third-party program that makes your PS4 controller act like an Xbox 360 controller. This clever emulation vastly improves game compatibility across thousands of titles, offering a much smoother experience. Simply download and install the latest version from its reputable website. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application to create or select a profile. This is where you can truly customize your controller, from remapping buttons to adjusting stick sensitivity and even changing the light bar color. After setting up your preferred profile, minimize DS4 Windows and launch your favorite PC game. Your PS4 controller should now be recognized and fully functional, ready for an immersive gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.